take care of our... Let's start shooting. To get rid of my sore throat, KOFOL Chewable tablets hai na? Arey, what happened?
For quick relief from coughing, KOFOL Chewable tablets है ना? Daddy says it's sugar free and Shiny can have it too. Good to share too.
Yes, KOFOL Chewable tablets from Charak Pharma are my family's trusted partner for getting rid of cough and sore throat. Made with Ayurvedic herbs, it also helps get rid of bad breath. Easy to carry. Just like us, don't forget to carry KOFOL Chewable tablets in the coming monsoon season.